Hi all. Now we will see how to make a refund in the system. It can be for the services as well as for the products. It depends upon like you can also make in a partial way also you can make it. So for that reason we will go to the for making a refund we will go to Saloon Transactions and click refund. Now here you need to select for which client you are making this refund. Okay, so you will select the client and you will select for which invoice number. For example, I will make a refund for this invoice. Okay, so you can see there are two services and the total amount is 330 dirhams which you need to refund. There are two ways you can do this. Either you can credit it to the client account, in which like this balance will become 330 in green, meaning like they can in future they can use, or you can pay by cash. Okay, this 330 you can pay by cash. So now first what I will do is credit to the client and save this one. Once you save this one, this voucher is actually created, but it is not approved yet. Only when you approve the refund, all the transactions will happen accordingly. You can see that there is open status. So when you actually click that one, you can either credit to the client or pay by cash. Now I will approve it by crediting it to the client. So once you press approve, so the voucher has been created and it is also approved successfully. Now you can see the voucher is approved, yes, and the balance of 330 has been credited to the client's details. Now we will go with the other option of how to pay them by cash. We will press add plus here and select a client, and we will select the invoice number. We will select this invoice. Okay, now what we will do is, once you select the invoice number, this is the total amount which you need to return to the client. So here you press pay by cash, okay, and save. Now again you take the ID. Okay, so this 267.50 you need to pay to them. So how you will pay? For that, first you need to approve. Once you approve, this is approved successfully, but it is not paid yet. It again goes to the balance. When you say pay this amount, so the payment will be made successfully to the client and your cash will reduce, and this you can see it in the report. So this is how you will make a refund to the client. And also there is one more way you can do by selecting there is one more option you can do by you can select the client. Okay, and you can select the invoice number. Here you can see they have multiple things, but in this you don't want it to do everything, meaning they just wanted to return the product. So how you can do that? You can just select and delete, which is not necessary. Okay, so only the balance, only this product we will actually return it back to the client. The product only the client has returned. The services he is okay. So this way you can do a partial refund. Okay, you just need to save, and you will actually take that and credit it to the client. you just approve it, and this amount is already credited to their account. So in this way, like, you can actually add the details of the refund in the system. Thank you.